Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where your purchasing decisions transform from meh to yeah. Today, we're diving into the resin-soaked world of 3D printers. On the left, we have the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, the printer that promises to bring your wildest miniatures to life. And on the right, the ELEGOO Saturn, the printer that sounds like it should be orbiting Jupiter, but is actually in your living room. Let's get this resin party started. Alright, first up, let's talk about the price. Our Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS comes in at a cool $375. Not too bad if you want to print your own action figures and call yourself a maker. But wait, the ELEGOO Saturn is here to make your wallet breathe a sigh of relief at $352. That's like saving enough money to buy an extra bottle of resin. So, ELEGOO takes the lead in the not breaking the bank category. Now on to resolution. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS flaunts its highest resolution on the market at 22 micrometers. That's fancy talk for your prints will look like they were sculpted by Michelangelo himself. ELEGOO Saturn, on the other hand, boasts a 12K mono LCD with a resolution of 19 by 24 micrometers. So, in the battle of who can create the tiniest, most precise details, ELEGOO might just edge out Phrozen by a hair. Or should I say, by a micron. Let's get large and in charge with build volume. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is great for those who think size doesn't matter. But ELEGOO Saturn comes in with a build volume of 218.88 x 122.888 x 250 cubic millimeters. So, if you're planning to print a mini Eiffel Tower or a life-sized bust of your cat, ELEGOO's got your back. Now for the light source showdown. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS promises smooth surfaces with up to 50% fewer layer lines. Smooth like butter, right? But the ELEGOO Saturn flexes its Fresnel collimating light source, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. With a uniform light beam and light scattering coefficient that sounds like a math problem, ELEGOO Saturn ensures your prints are consistently awesome. Let's talk build plates. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is suitable for everyone, even your grandma could use it. But ELEGOO Saturn has a laser-carved build plate. Yep, you heard that right. Laser. Carved. It's like the James Bond of build plates. Smooth, suave, and ready to ensure your prints stick better than your ex. Finally, software compatibility. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is open source and plays nice with most slicers like Lychee, Chitubox, or Tango. ELEGOO Saturn, however, comes with its own Voxel Dance Tango software, but still gets along with third-party slicers. It's like the friendly neighborhood printer that's down for whatever slicing party you throw. When it comes to user reviews, Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS users appreciate its impressive print quality and value for money, especially for detailed models. However, some have faced issues with print durability and initial setup. ELEGOO Saturn users, on the other hand, praise its ease of setup, large build area, and consistent print quality. Though a few noted minor improvements could be made. Both printers have strong support from their respective communities and customer service teams. So there you have it, smart shoppers. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is perfect if you want ultra-fine details and a friendly user experience. But if you're all about that big build volume and high-tech light source, ELEGOO Saturn might just be your new best friend. Both are fantastic, but it all boils down to what you need. Drop your choice in the comments below and let the print wars begin. Until next time, keep buying smart, and may your 3D prints be ever in your favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more savvy shopping tips. See ya! Product links are in the description.